it's a little strange actually, but it's kind of cool. I can also look down and see my feet. I can see my hands, and if I take out certain pieces of equipment, like my shield, I can see my shield, my sword, my Dawnbreaker sword with its light, and so on. So I can actually see what I'm wearing, which again is very cool. Now, one of the reasons that I thought this might be a gimmicky mod was I was expecting it to have, well, a slightly nauseating effect when moving around, and I'll show you what I mean. Because it does. As you can see, there's a massive amount of head bobbing, and if I turn quickly, or side step, you can see the whole world leaning. That's because my head is doing so. And if I jump, as you see, it's a little disconcerting, especially if I move around. And already, I have to be honest, I'm feeling a little nauseous. I really couldn't play like this, which is why I thought it was going to be a gimmick. And it's even worse when I use weapons. So, as you saw that, I'm going to put the sword away. If I remember how. There you go. But take the sword out again. You see how I look down to the sword to dry out, which is kind of cool, but again, the whole world moves. And if I start hitting, you can see. Oh! Sorry, guys. As you can see, it's a little disconcerting. It is also impossible to turn around with the mouse. So if I turn now, I can't turn. And I have to actually move to turn. So if I go back out to first person, it's as if I turn and can't look further there without first turning to do so. Which is realistic. Basically, the mouse controls the head, and I can't turn any more than there. It's kind of like you're on a horseback.